What's up, YouTube? It's Smart Phone Billionaire. I'm about to give you guys some game. I'm on my way to the bank right now, and I'm about to show you guys 3 things you need to have if you want to be able to run up a bag with business credit. So yeah, I'm about to show you guys. Stay tuned. I'm about to literally go pull up at a bank right now, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to be able to get funding at a high level. So look, the first thing you want to do, guys, is you got to realize banks give more money to businesses than they do regular people. So you got to set up an LLC. I know you probably hear a lot of people talk about it, but they're not telling you the 2 biggest mistakes people make when setting up their LLC. So what you want to do is you want to make sure when you're picking a business name, you're not putting any high risk industries in the name. And the reason why you don't want to do that is because if you put credit repair, business funding, trucking, any of those high risk words in your business name, the banks is already looking at you like, nah, they tripping. We're not giving them the maximum amount of funding. So you want to be smarter than that. You want to have some finesse. So make sure when you coming up with your business name, you want to give it something simple, something broad, something that's not going to put you in a red box. Something like your initials management, your initials enterprise. You don't want to give it too much of a specific name. Why? Because you also might grow your business and add on to the services. So make sure you keep it super broad and generic when you come in with the name. And the second mistake people make is the address. They be picking any address they can find off of iPostal. So what you want to do instead of doing that is you can still go to iPostal, you can still go to Regions, you can still go to Opus, you can still go to all of these places to get your business address. However, what you want to do is you want to make sure before you purchase the address, you put that address into Google and into the United States Postal Lookup Service, just to double check that that address isn't a commercial mail receiving agency. What that means is it's not a mail center. They want to make sure that you're a business and not a P.O. box. So that's the 2 mistakes that people make when setting up their LLCs that's cost them a lot of funding. The next thing you want to do is once you got your LLC set up and once you got it approved, get your EIN number, and then you need to start opening up business bank accounts. I would recommend opening up business bank accounts with banks that offer business funding, especially banks that offer 0% interest funding like Armories, Chase, Truist, Citizens, banks just like that, right? And before you apply for funding, you want to start building that relationship. So open a business bank account, deposit some money in there, let it sit. And before you apply for funding, you never want to apply online, guys. That's the #1 reason why most people be qualified and get denied. But what you really want to do is make sure nobody will listen. What you really want to do is you want to make sure you find the BRM. Whoever is the BRM at the bank, you want to make sure that you apply with them. And I'm giving y'all some game right now. I literally run a 6-figure funding company where I help business owners get access to capital. And one of my hidden secrets is we use bank relationship managers. So instead of taking our clients and applying online, we leverage our banking relationships, and our banking relationships allow our clients to request limits, sometimes 70K, 80K, 100K. And we're able to do that versus going online. You can't do it that way, guys. So look, I just wanted to give y'all some gems. I just pulled up to the bank. I'm at Armories Bank right now. Literally about to run some plays in here, start building some relationships before they close. So what I recommend you do is you find 3 to 5 banks in your area, start building those relationships, start finding some BRMs, guys, and go run you up a bag. I'm Smart Phone Billionaire. If you like this kind of content, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Let's go.